From from How to Game, this is Will.
And Eric.
All right, right now this is a this is a new little thing called versus person versus map. This is Eric versus a map that I made. All right, what are you doing here? Just walking. Let's go forward. Finally figure out how to get up here after I told you to teleport. Let's watch this. And right off the side. I like. Bam. Alright. There we go. Right.
Suicide.
And it just like goes a long way for some reason.
I ran into the wall.
I almost blew up there. Speed it up. Oh, I actually made it. And this time I had to like tell you that you're supposed to jump off there and all right, here. Let me show you what you guys got to do. Down there at the very bottom, there is a You see, there's a big platform in the bottom in a circle. You got to hit that circle. And so you just like walk around, and then you finally find it. And here we go. Think, jump already. There we go.
Look where I'm landing. Look at the ground.
Suicide.
You guys see where it landed right there? Right there. Where his pistol is? Bam. Anyways, back to Eric. So you go one way and you decide you just oops one way. Simply, you could have gone that corner. You did that a couple times. Note that Eric does not play this game much, so yeah. He doesn't actually own the game, so he only plays it when he goes over to someone's house or something. I think he might make it this time. Yep. And you're just like going around trying to find it. Oh, you made it. Alright, so then, for this part, you gotta memorize this color pattern here, and then you got to do the color pattern over here. There's a different platform, you gotta go straight to the other one, and make your way all the way over to the teleporter over here. And like, you're just like, you keep trying to like jump on top or something.
Look like 20 times. I thought this was
he thought that he could fall through that grid there, so he couldn't take any chance. He didn't trust it. I had to speed this up because he took so much time to do this. I mean, it's just like hilarious how much time he spent to just go from what to just like spending on top of these, just trying to figure out where to go to next. All right, for this one, you have to take a jetpack here, or you take a Falcon, but the Falcons never ever work. You have to make it all the way to the top of this Banshee Shredder, where there's a teleporter that will lead to the end. I had to show you how to use the jetpack at first, because like you did not know how to do this.
Yeah.
But there, you finally figured it out. And I told you had to go to a platform. And so you thought you'd maybe go to that platform. That's when you figured out that you had a limited supply. Oh, I mean, someone's getting shoved over there somehow.
Keep watching.
Ah, then he gets squashed like a bug. So I had to start all over again. He was on the verge of quitting there. I mean, what part was it that made you want to quit?
The part that I had to restart. That's why.
Oh yeah, I think I was like laying the cats out as you were raging, so I don't know what you did.
Oh. You'll find out. I died somehow. Oh yeah, I remember how I died now. I'm smart enough to make this one. I couldn't jump out.
Speeding it up.
Now watch this. This is where I rage quit. I missed.
So we just ended the game. The map wins, everybody. Eric loses to a map. Anything you have to say, Eric?
Whoa, shit.